Okay, before proceeding to next topic, any questions from anyone? Yes, no.
What of this thing?
Okay, so we are posting that double screen one, right? So write down post customer credit memo. So we have posted yesterday 2 invoices and now we will post one credit memo by using double screen. So write down SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, document entry, credit memo, general, credit memo, general. Transaction code F-27. Transaction code F-27. So let me go with this one. SAP menu. Okay. Accounting. Financial accounting. So now we are in accounts receivable. So we are doing posting of credit memo general. So credit memo general F-27. F-27. Credit memo general. Normal credit memo single entry FP75. Okay, this is. So what I'll do? I'll do a credit memo for first invoice, that is AR04. So I'll take today's date, F4, F2. Okay, DG. So I'll take reference number as an AR04. Yesterday we have posted one invoice, first invoice AR04. Okay. Next one. I'll write it as in credit memo. Or you can put it as in customer credit memo. So here 57, the new vendor which we created, the new customer which we created, 5700001. So write down this still here. So here it got changed. Company code is UT01 and currency is INR. Write on this. Customer credit memo. Period will pick automatically. Posting key 11. Customer credit. And the customer number is 57/0001. Okay, press enter. I'm giving some amount 4,000. So here I'll write it as a customer credit memo. Customer credit memo. Okay, so this is related to your GL account 40 debit. So GL account 320 100 320 100. Just write it down. 320 100. Okay. Can we go ahead? So press enter. Star to copy the amount. Plus to copy the text. Star to copy the amount. Plus to copy the text. Profit center, we have given you 1000. And business area UHYD. UHYD. Okay. Star to copy the amount. Plus to copy the text. Profit center, we are giving a credit line. That is U1000 and UHYD. Okay. Click on simulate. Document. Simulate. So consultancy charges account debited to UI&Me technical services when the customer account has been credited. Okay. And click on post button. Click on post button. Okay. So we will do one more payment, customer receipt. Incoming payment. Okay, write down customer incoming payment. Already we have given the path, right? Incoming payment. Customer incoming payment. We have already given the path. Write down. Write down. Post customer. Sorry. Incoming payment. Same path. So transaction code is F-28. So already we saw yesterday a few incoming payments. So in that, this one F-28. Okay. So go back. One second. So click on exist. So here F-28. F-28. So path, if you want to write, same thing. SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, document entry, incoming payments, F-28. Okay, double click on incoming payments. Okay, incoming payment. F4, F2. So just take the document type. By default, it will take, but still, it should be DZ, DZ. Okay, reference number AR04, customer receipt, bank data, cash account 2,40,000. So here I am giving with the bank charges. So amount 1 rupee, bank charges 250, bank charges 250, customer incoming payment, customer incoming payment. The next one here, vendor account. What is a vendor account? We need to check. So sorry, 2 customers we have created. So 7-1. Okay. So this is the account. and I'll give bank charges. So DD number I'll give, for example, 778589. Just write it down as it is. Any questions here? So I'm giving here, I'm not giving the complete amount, I'm giving 1 rupee, and here I'm giving bank charges.
Naveen, what is that assignment?
Sorry,
Assignment number you have given?
number, if you want to give, this is nothing but your DD number.
Okay, so anything we can give.
Sorry.
Anything we can give.
Yeah, anything in the sense, normally whenever we take a demand draft, then we will mention here demand draft number,
Okay.
check number, kind of thing. Understood?
And also, yeah, got and also
Sorry.
one more doubt. So every time we are giving amount as one, so that means we don't know what is the exact
What
amount.
is the final amount, so that after simulation we can adjust.
Okay, so since we this time we do not know the amount, so we are giving one.
Do not know in the sense total 4,000 credit memo is there. So we need to adjust the credit memo against the invoice, and we have a bank charges.
Okay.
So we are going to nullify your invoice with credit memo along with the bank charges.
Okay.
So that's the reason we are here. We have mentioned it as in one.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, just write it down. Once you're done, let me know. Fine. And one more thing here, if you see here, I'll show you one thing. If you click on none, then what it will show, whatever open items are there in this particular vendor, everything will be get displayed. But for which one we are doing a payment, for which invoice we are doing the payment?
AR04.
AR04. Then your cursor should be on others. Instead of none, your cursor should be on others, so that it will ask different options like according to which you want to clear, right? Either amount or document number or posting date, dunning area or reference number, or different options, collective invoice, document type. So according to which option you want to clear that invoice. So can I go ahead now?
Yes.
Can I go ahead now? So click on process open items, then it will give you the list. If it is none, then directly it will take you to the open items. But if you select others option, then it will ask you different options. See here. Different option. So I would like to go with the reference number. I would like to go with the reference number. Okay, according to which reference number we want to clear or we want to clear. So here, click on OK button. Click on OK button. Next one, which reference number we want to? Invoice number AR04. 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 Give the reference number here and click on process open items. Click on process open items. So belongs to this particular invoice only. It will be get something went wrong. So we have already posted this. We have already posted this. So which one? This is on 4th. Okay, I'm inactivating this one. 4. Let me check. In FBL 5N / FBL 5N. So here did we posted anything credit memo? We have posted, I think. Yeah, yesterday we have posted one credit memo and incoming payment we stopped actually. If I'm not wrong. 64,000 invoice. One in first invoice, second invoice.
Yesterday we posted one credit memo with a reference.
Yesterday, right?
AR04 only.
We have posted two credit memos now.
Yes.
So yesterday also we have posted. This is the third six.
Yes.
So 4,000. This is the credit memo we have posted. Right now, what I'll do, I'll inactive that. 64,000. This has to come reference number. We have not given reference number to this. AR04. We have not given for invoice the reference number. AR04. Now you can see here only credit memo was showing here. So click on save button. Click on save button. Use open items. Reference number. Process open items. So here we will give the same number. Click on process open items. So what I'm doing, I have inactivated. I have inactivated 4,000. 64,000 my invoice value. My credit value is 4,000. Just double click here. So again, I'm giving discount also 2,600. 2,600. I'm giving the discount. So cash discount percentage we have already given and the initial configuration. So total how much we need to receive? 57,149 means 57,150. We need to receive 57,150. Okay. Click on document. Is this clear? Just write it down till here. Once you're done, let me, any questions? Actually, I have posted extra credit memo. I forgot that yesterday we have posted. So that's the reason I'm deactivating this. That's it. Any questions here? So you have given the 600. Bank charges, cash discount. Yeah, any questions here? No. Okay. So simulate. Okay. Now here one, right? Double click on cash line item. Click on document overview button and double click on cash line item. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll make this as a 140. So what 10 rupees, whatever difference is there, that should go to 10 rupees should go to payment difference. So what are the things we have given here? First one, bank charges. Second one, cash discount. Third one, payment difference account. Payment difference account should be pick up automatically. Clear? So there is a difference. Actually, it should be 57,150. But how much we are giving? 140. Means how much is the difference? How much is the difference?
10 rupees.
Yeah, 10 rupees. So 10 rupees will go to the payment difference account. Just check. Just write it down. $57,140. So three things we are doing in this particular transaction. Okay. So if you're done, then go with document, simulate. You can see here. Bank charges 250. Cash account debit, bank charges expenditure. So nominal account, bank charges account debited 250. Cash account, cash is coming in from the customer. So cash account debited 57,140. Discount allowed is an expense as per the nominal account. Debit all expenses and losses. So 2,600. Payment difference. There is a payment. We are getting less 10 rupees. So that is also loss to us. As per the nominal account, debit all expenses and losses. So 10 rupees debited. Payment difference account. Right? It's automatically pop up. Payment difference account. And how much account is customer account is getting settled with 60,000. Total 60,000 is getting settled. Just write down this. Here, you and me account credited. Customer credit 60,000. So if you go with the post document, post document, display, general view, general ledger. Now you can see. Just write it down. So bank charges account debited, cash account debited, discount allowed account debited, payment difference account. To trade receivable services. Write down this. This is your GL view. Once you are done, let me know. I'm asking if you are done, let me know. Done. Done, right? So we have done all the transactions. We have done all the transactions. Next, we will see the reports. Let's go to the reports. So first one, right now, display customer balances. First report, display customer balances. Display customer balances. Write down SAP menu, write down the path, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable. So all the reports will be there in the account. Okay. In accounts payable, account, accounts receivable, account. Okay. Accounts receivable, account, display balances, display balances, transaction code FD10N, transaction code FD10N. Sorry. Sorry. Somebody said something. FD10N. Okay, I'll show in the path. Accounts receivable till here the same path, and here document. Okay, document. Sorry, it's not document. Account FD tenant. Display balances FD tenant. FD tenant. So give your customer numbers. I'm giving customer numbers. First a customer, or go to multiple selections. You can go with the multiple selections. We can give one more customer number. Multiple customers. Five next one. So here give company customer number, company code, and fiscal year. Okay. So customer numbers, company code, fiscal year. Click on execute. Click on execute. So again, click on execute. So you can see here, debit line item, credit memos. So 4,000 extra we have because we have not cleared. And this is the balance and net sales. Net sales. Okay, this is nothing but net sales. Okay. This is nothing but your DR, debit balance. Okay, this is nothing but credit. Credit is nothing but your DG, credit memos, and payments. You can write it out. DR is nothing but invoices, customer invoice. Debit balance, what is that? Customer invoice. That is nothing but DR. If you want to write, you can write debit balance is nothing but your DR. Nothing but customer invoices. And what is credit balance? This is DG and DZ. Nothing but your payments and as well as your credit memos. Okay, this talks about your invoice minus credit memos plus payments. Okay, that is nothing but DR minus DG plus DZ. Clear? So this is cumulative balances. So here you can see everything. See here. So total 4 lakhs is outstanding items. Okay, these are nothing but your cleared items. So next vendor also you can see. See here, this is next vendor. Okay. This is 5 customer. 44,000 cleared, 44,000 still open. Any questions? But here, try to understand this report. Try to understand this report. If your customer asks, you should be in a position. Okay, what is debit balance? What is credit balance contains? And what does it mean by balance? If someone was asking something. Any questions on this? Yes, no.
You're able to hear me, right?
Sorry,
You're able to hear me?
a bit louder, please.
You're able to hear me?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
You are able to hear me?
I'm not asking whether you are able to hear me or not. I'm asking any questions.
No, that is what I'm saying. Can you please just
Your voice is low. Anyone can other response, please? Sunil Sridhar,
Hi, sir.
please kindly respond because that guy, what he's talking, I'm not able to hear.
is my voice not audible?
Is it not audible, my voice?
Your voice is audible.
Yeah, audible.
My voice?
No, it is still low.
Rajshekar is asking, is my voice is audible? Rajshekar is asking. Rajshekar, your voice is low.
Is it fine now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Rashekar, why don't you speak every time like this? Because lot of confusion is happening for me. Whether you need to
Early-
rectify your device or you just text in the chat.
No, no, earlier it was fine. It was
Earlier
working
also
fine.
it was not fine.
No,
Because I
today
need to-
only.
Not earlier. Since long time, your whatever questions you ask, I won't able to listen. And it is giving me a lot of, because I need to keenly observe what you are asking.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me now.
So what I'm asking is just give the overview again, the debit, credit, and balances
That's what I'm
part.
saying. Debit is nothing but your customer invoices. Your customer invoices. Whenever you punch the invoice, customer invoice, that is nothing but customer invoices. What is the document type it will create? What is the document type it will take?
Yeah.
Rashekar.
DZ.
Document type for customer invoice I'm asking.
DR.
It's a DR, Rashekar, please. We have
Okay.
D number of invoices.
Okay.
DR is nothing but customer invoice. And Rashekar, it's specially for you. What is credit memo document type? We have 4 credit memos, two to different vendors, two to different customers. What is the document type it will take for customer credit memo? What is the credit memo for vendor?
KG.
It is KR. KR is the vendor credit memo. KG is the vendor credit memo.
Then what is happening?
KG.
And payment for vendor?
KZ.
And customer?
Customer is DZ.
That's it. So DR is nothing but your customer invoice. KR is nothing but your vendor invoice. DG is nothing but your customer credit memo. KG is nothing but your vendor credit memo. DZ is nothing but your customer payment, incoming payment. KZ is nothing but vendor outgoing payment. So here the first debit balance is nothing but all your invoices. That is nothing but KR document type. And credit is nothing but your DG plus DZ, means your credit memos and payments. The combination of these two is nothing but your credit balance. What is the customer account rule? What is the customer account rule? Customer always shows which balance?
Credit balance.
Very good. Fantastic. Customer always shows credit balance.
Debit balance.
Sorry,
Who is
debit
customer?
balance.
Who is
Debit
customer?
balance.
Who is customer?
Person.
No, I'm asking who is customer for the business?
Income.
It's an asset, current asset. Because customer is nothing but your debtor. Supplier is nothing but your vendor. Customer is an asset. Asset shows always which balance?
Debit balance.
Right here, which side is more? Debit is more or credit is more?
Debit is more.
Debit is nothing but your customer is nothing but your asset. If your debit is less than your credit, then what he will become? If your debit balance in your customer account, debit balance is less and credit balance is more, what does it mean?
He paid in advance, so we credit balance will be increased.
Nothing but now who has to pay us? Who has to pay us?
Customer.
Customer. How much need to pay? How much he needs to pay?
208.
208.
Yes.
Still balance 444,000.
Was here clearly, Rajshekar. Why don't you?
The-
What does it mean?
yeah.
I said clearly just now, and you are saying we need to pay
No,
this
no.
much.
Got it. 444 you need
This
to
is
pay
nothing but
balance.
invoices which we have punched, and already he has provided the credit memos or payments. This much 2,08,000. He has taken goods or services from us 6,52,000. Out of this, he has provided a credit memos or payments of 2,08,000. Right? So this much he need not to pay. What is the balance he is supposed to pay?
444.
444, nothing but 4,44,000. He is liable to pay us. He is liable to pay us. So that's the reason it is showing a debit balance. Debit is more, credit is less. That means that it is debit balance, and it will show in your balance sheet as a current asset under customer account.
Got
And
it.
vendor always shows a credit balance. Means vendor credit balance, the vendor debit balance means nothing but vendor credit memos, vendor payments. And vendor credit balance is nothing but vendor invoices. Clear now? Any questions on this?
Clear.
No.
Thank you.
Customer debit means what kind of document type?
DR.
And this one credit means what are the document types?
DG plus DZ.
DG means what?
Credit memo. Customer
Credit memo. DG in the sense?
DG is customer credit memo.
DZ.
DZ is the payment.
Customer payment, incoming payment.
Yes, customer.
Right? Understood now?
Got it. Thanks.
Any other questions from anyone?
No.
Okay. One more report, the similar report we will see. Display or change line items. Display or change line items. This one. Customer line item report. You can write it as a display or change line items. Path, same as above. Path, same as above. Till account. Path, same as above, till account. From there, select. From there, select. Display or change line items. Display or change line items. Transaction code. Transaction code. FBL 5N. FBL 5N. FBL 5N. Just a second. Okay, so you can see here, go to the path. Okay, FBL 5N. Display or change line items. So this is nothing but customer line items. Don't forget these reports. So here I would like to see. So here I'll select now. Not open items, all items. So select 5,70,000, whatever, 57 lakhs to 57 lakhs 1. And here status, select all account, all items, and type normal items. And open items as on today, as on today. open items as on today. Okay, click on execute button, the same report you will find. Not like a cumulative balances and all, but here it will show you the similar kind of report. See what are your open items, what are your cleared items. This is, you can see, these are all are your invoices. Now here you can see DZ and DZ minus DR. So you will find the total report here. Okay. The same report. Okay. So any questions on this?
No.
Okay. So next one. So here clear item, I'll explain later. Clearing part means nothing but doing a reversal. So at the time of reversal part, I'll explain this. Okay. One second. Clear this one? Any questions on this? The reporting part?
No, Naveen.
Okay. So next one, these are the different reports. Let's write it down this. Next write down. Yeah, the reports. Just I'm checking any other newly added reports. Okay, next one, write down. Customer analysis. Write down customer analysis. Write down the path. Path same as above till account. Path same as above till account. You can write it as a customer analysis report. Path same as above till account. Till account. Till account. Next, analysis. Analysis. Transaction code FT11. FT11. So here you can see FT11. Okay, I'm giving customer number, fiscal company code, and fiscal year. customer, customer number, company code, and fiscal year. Okay, if you click on account balance, so here you can see in the June month, what are my debits? What are my credits? In the June month, what are my debits? What are my credits? And what my balance? Next, if you go with the sales tab, analysis. So 6th month, what are my total net sales? Okay, what are my net sales? Total 5,33,000 in the month of June. Okay, what are the special GLs? So we have not posted special GLs yet. So here special GLs we have not posted. Outstanding. Okay. Outstanding net amount. This is 3 days, 2 days overdue amount 1 lakh. And still we have a time 29 days, 59 days, and 89 days. So one invoice is due. Yeah, still. Aging report, there's nothing but your aging report. So whatever total invoices are there, out of that, what is your aging report from customer? One invoice is 2 days overdue, and remaining are minus in the sense, still we have a time. Clear? So in one shot, we can provide your account balance, sales report, net sales report, special GL transactions, and outstanding net amount, right? If any discounts we have done, that discounts will be shown, nothing, no discounts, and any deductions. Okay, so total deductions 10,000. Remember, we have given 10,000 manual discount, not as an configuration cash discount. So we have deducted 10,000. Discount percentage clearing is 7.52%. Any questions here till here?
No.
No.
No, right? So we can go back and we can have one more customer. Okay. So click on account balance, same thing. So June month. So total, what is debit balance? What are your credit balance? And what are your document balance? So same thing you can see here, sales. So total net sales, 1,04,000. 1,04,000. Okay. Okay, next one, special GL. We have not posted anything, so it won't show anything, nothing. Direct account balance only it is showing. Outstanding. See here, overdue for 1 day, 4,000. And this is still 71 days it is there. Okay, next one, outstanding, discount. Nothing, deductions. So here you can see total deduction 2,600. Total 2,600. Okay. Fine. Next one, correspondence. Next one, right? Customer correspondence report. Customer correspondence report. Generate customer correspondence reports. You remember vendor also we did that, the same thing. Generate customer correspondence. Path, same as above. Up to account, it's the same path. Up to accounts, it's the same path. From there, select correspondence. There is nothing but a kind of dunning. Dunning, correspondence. The next request. FB12. 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 Okay, FB 12. So go back. So here you have a correspondence. FB 12. Up to accounts receivable, account, it's the same path. Okay. So click on FB 12. It's nothing but request. FB 12. So give the company code. Give the company code UT01. Means if you want to send any dunnings, right, reminders on balance amount. Okay, give your company code UT01. Give your company code UT01. And select from the types of correspondence. I want open items, which I want to select. SAP 08 is a open item list. Vendor also the same we have selected, and customers also. It will show customer because we are doing a customer correspondence request. Select SAP 08, open item list. So whenever you are doing a dunning, you need to send this documentation. So double click on open item list. So give your customer number. Give your customer number. Key date as on today. As on today. F4, F2. So if it is vendor, then we used to select vendor. Open items. We need customer. UT01 company code, customer number. If you are generating correspondence for customer, select customer. If you are generating to vendor, then vendor. Okay. The next, click on continue. Click on continue. So here, open item requested. Okay. Next one, I want open items plus cleared items. Okay. And credit memos, means all items I want. So once again, select the company code. Select the company code. Press enter. Select here SAP 06 account statement. We have selected open item list. Now I want account statement. Customer requested for account statement. Means what are the total open items? What are the cleared items? What are the credit memos? He want complete list. Clear? Then we will select SAP 06 for account statement, either vendor or customer. So select here SAP 06. SAP 06, customer number. Okay, from which date to which date? From which date to which date? Okay, I am giving from 01/04/2023 to F4, F2. See, as per your requirement, you need to give these dates. So till here, any questions, or I can give customer number 1 so that you will easily, you can understand. Just write it down. Done, everyone? Yes, no.
Yes.
Naveen,
Click on.
is
Sorry?
Is this for end user activity?
Yes, right. You are working as an AR specialist and you need to get your balances from the customer.
Okay.
Correct? You need to send them reminders, right?
Yes.
This is called a reminding activity, dunning activity. Or you are doing some activity and your customer requested through an email stating that he want a complete report from
Yeah.
1st April to 31st March.
Yeah, but
What are his outstanding amounts still to pay, and what is his credit memos, and what are his cleared items?
yeah, but FI consultants will not be involved in this.
No,
right?
but as a FI consultant, we need to have a knowledge on this because we need to train our end users.
Yeah, okay, got it.
Because they are new to the system, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the reason. But we
So,
need to have. Yeah,
so Naveen, is it like as you mentioned, dunning report, running the dunning report?
correct.
Okay.
Okay. What do you mean by dunning report? Dunning is nothing but sending a reminders on outstanding amounts.
Okay.
Right? You will take this printout and you will send a reminders to 1 day, 3 day, 5 day according to your TAT. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, no.
Got it. Got it.
That's what. Write down this. Click on continue. So here open items we have selected and account statement we have selected. Next one. Next one. Maintain customer correspondence. Maintain customer correspondence. Path same as above. Path same as above till correspondence. Path same as above till correspondence. And from there select maintain. From there select maintain. And transaction code F.64. 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 Okay, F.64. Versus maintain. Means whatever request we have done, two things. One is account statement and open items of customer. Then we need to maintain now. Okay, click on F.64. Give your company code UT01. UT01. So here username. Okay, and everything automatically it will take. Entries without printed date, entries with the printed date. According to your requirement, you can do this. Okay. Okay, so click on execute button. Click on execute button. So here what it is showing? Here it is showing vendor also. Customer, vendor, customer, vendor. But I don't want to see the vendor, right? Now what we need to do here? Account type. The most important here. We want customer. So select customer. Select customer. We need to see only customer. Give company code. Okay. Company code UT01, account type D for customers. If you are not selecting the customer or vendor, it will show all the customer and vendor reports. Okay. Yeah. Next, click on. So here two items generated. Two items generated. One is you can see account statement. Another one is open item. One is SAP 06 and one is SAP 08. If you click on SAP 08, it will show you the account statement with your open item, cleared item and all. If you click on SAP 08, it will show only open item list. PDF format. So double click on SAP 06. Double click on SAP 06. Whether you remember it or not, we did for vendor also the same thing. I'm selecting output device. Anything you can select. Anything you can select. See here. So we have selected all items, right? So you and me company, right? You and me company, date 46, account number, vendor account number, account statement from 1/4/2023 to 4/6/2023, and every items you can see here. DR, vendor customer invoice, DG, customer credit memo, right? DR, customer invoice, customer credit memo, and clearing, payment clearing, DG. So your final balance to be received 44,000. Okay, still we need to receive 44,000. Every transaction we can see. Okay. Any questions in this? So this statement we will take a printout and we will send it to whoever, whatever customer asked, we will send it to them. We will send them. Okay. Then next, repeat the same time for open item. Repeat the same for open item. So only outstanding items. No cleared item. Only DR. So we can take any option from here. Okay. Continue. See, open item list. You won't find DG and DZ. You will find only DR. Open item list. Balance on key date. For this particular customer, we need to receive 4 lakhs. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So we will see few more reports as per the new GL accounting. Okay, write down. These are the new reports, new GL accounting reports. Okay, first one, write down. Display receivables, profit center wise. Display receivables, profit center wise. Write down the path. SAP menu. SAP menu, accounting. Financial accounting. General ledger. Information system. Information system. General ledger reports. General ledger reports. Within the bracket new. Within the bracket new. Line item. Line items. Line items. Next, open items. Open items. Receivables, profit center. Receivables, profit center. And write down the transaction code. S underscore. Yes, underscore. ACU underscore. S underscore AC 0 under ACO. This is no, it's a 0. AC 0 underscore 52000520008887. 52000887. So I'll go in the SAP configuration part. So here, general ledger, SAP menu, accounting, SAP menu, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger. So here new reports will be there in information system. All the new reports will be there in information system. Information system. Information system. Under information system, again, you can see general ledger reports and general ledger reports new. So click on general ledger reports new. General ledger reports new. Okay, next click on line items. So here you can see the same thing, financial statements, account balances, already we saw this, right? Next one. Line items. Line items. So next click on open items. Open items. So here you can see everything. So already we saw the payables is nothing but your it's AP module. And this is receivables is nothing but your AR module. Already we saw the payables one. Receivables, profit center wise. See here, receivables, profit center wise. S underscore AC0 underscore 52000887. Okay, double click on this. And you give your customer number. Give your customer number. So I'm giving both the customers. I'm giving both the customers. Click on all items. So as on today, and here CO area. What is our CO area? UCOA. Controlling area. By default, it will take 0 ledger. By default, it will take 0 ledger. If you want to have any other ledger, then you can select choose ledgers. That we have other 2 ledgers, right? UX and UI. Okay, select here. So I'll first select object list. Select object list. Already we saw in AP these 2. And this 3 also we saw, third one also. And click on execute. Can we continue?
Yes.
Click on execute. So you can see that profit centers. Okay. Okay, you can import to export all, sorry, Excel also. Okay.
Naveen, you're able to hear me, right?
Tell me.
So the subject is very lengthy. We can't remember everything.
Sorry.
Okay. Since subject is very lengthy, right? We can't remember everything. At the on the office premises, can we take? Is it permissible to take the notes, our notes, working notes?
Where
They will allow
in office?
Hmm.
Why they
notes.
will? Why they will?
Whatever the
In you're working, right?
we are working. Whatever
No,
the
I'm
notes
asking a simple. No, I got your question, but still I'm asking. I don't know why you're asking. Whatever notes you will take to your office, will they check?
they just do the scanning, basic scanning. That's it.
I didn't get you. No, whatever notes they will check.
They will not check the notes.
Same thing. That's your answer.
Okay.
Why?
So if we have,
Why
so if
people will check?
some companies will check, right?
No, no company will check.
So are there any people doing like this, preparing their
But
notes
I'm not sure, boss. How do I know that?
in your?
How do I know that? I just don't know because
in
I
your?
don't do that.
Okay.
You are asked one question that can we take this material kind of thing or something to for our reference purpose while doing the work? I said yes. But are there anyone is doing like that in the sense? How can I answer that?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hope you understood my point.
Yes, got it. I got
First
it.
question, whatever you asked, I answered that. Whether you are taking your questionnaire or whatever material to your office, will they check or will they allow it or not?
Got it. Got it.
That's it. Probably they won't ask you to put it on your desk, whatever dashboards, whatever it is that you are not placed there. But if you're carrying a notebook is there, then you can refer at any point of time.
Okay.
It's not lengthy. It again, I'm telling you, if you practice it, so we won't forget anything. Again, I'm telling you. This is not lengthy or vast because it's an interlink. That's it. It's an interlink. If you know the basic perfectly, then automatically everything. Again, I was saying that if you know the GL module perfectly, hands-on, then AP, AR, and asset accounting is fit for nothing. If you people are doing practice again and again, then definitely you will remember each and every step without any hassles.
Okay.
Without practice, it's mere impossible to remember the creation of company code also.
Okay. If
That's
we
the reason I
practice,
was again and again insisting everyone, don't bother about the classes, rushing things, just bother about your practice. So again, yesterday also I've reiterated, but you people came back that don't insist us to practice, just continue with your classes. It's a recording done, but still I'm saying you because you asked. That's the reason I'm saying it. Because if you practice well, then definitely you wouldn't raise in this particular concern. Again, it's not a vast subject. People say that, again, the day when I made it very clear when people have joined, if you have a time, then join, or else no. And same time I said, it will take time to understand. Yes, but when it will take time, if you practice, it's very easy topic because everything is interdependent. Everything is interdependent. Without practice, definitely you can't going to get anything. I said, made it very clear. If I'm doing one company along with me, you need to at least create 10 companies. But out of total, no one has completed at least one company along with me. Because you people only said, don't bother about us. We will do at any point of time after completion of the course also. That's your headache now. But don't say this is a vast or huge. Right? Because I am able to remember everything. And I came as an end user only, as you know that pretty well. I came as an end user only AP practitioner I came. I'm not saying most 90% people over here as a consultants, whoever are working, they all came from either accounting background, accountants, or end users. Only the mantra to get success in this particular environment is only the practice part. I know it's because we have not yet entered into asset accounting. We have not yet entered asset accounting. That too new asset accounting. If old was there, then it was simple, very simple. But we have a new asset accounting. Now we are doing new GL accounting. These are new GL reports.
okay.
Blame game is very easy. But again, I was repeating, okay, if class is not there, then you people can practice at that particular point of time so that you can cover everything. Because after completion of the course, if you sit and start practice, then nothing you are going to get. Nothing again, and I'm telling you, nothing you are going to get. Afterwards, your will and your wish. Because the thing is, what I insist earlier batch people in the sense, I used to insist them to practice or else no. Next batch people, the same thing. If they are not practicing, immediately that will be terminated. Terminated in the sense, I'll complete them even as I said that earlier also, for next batch people, I'm giving a time limit of recording, hardly 1 month, one record. Means if this particular week recordings are there, that will be there only for 1 month, and after that, that's their headache. Means they need to practice that time if they won't attend classes also. But if they are not practicing in that particular time, it's not my responsibility. So I'll remove those this thing. Recordings from the drive. Because that is a major drawback. If I'm providing recordings for long time, people are thinking that, okay, we can attend the next sessions, we can listen the recordings and we can miss the classes. Because at the time of recording, if you have any questions, you can't raise a concern. Okay, Rashikar, I don't want to make a deviation and kill the time. So that is the thing. Subject is not vast. Subject is very simple. Again, I'm telling you, but for new freshers, I'll say that it's a tough. But as experienced people, you should, we need to consider this as a damn easy one only. because nothing, what logical steps we are not doing it. No programming coding, we are writing it. If you say you are writing a coding, then I can say that it's a vast or tough or whatever challenges. Only the thing here is we are going on a serial steps. That's it. And how we can remember those steps in the sense only with practice only. Without that, it's obviously it looks like a highest mountain. Hope clear this. Okay.
Okay.
It's very simple. If you start as a simple, then it is very easy. If you start it as an okay. So this is your profit center wise report. This is okay. If you want to export, you can export this into your Excel spreadsheet. Okay, next one more report. Receivable segment wise. Receivables segment wise. Display receivables segment wise. Path same as above. Till open items. Till open items. Path same as above. Till open items. And from there select receivables segment. Receivables segment. Write down the transaction code. Write down the transaction code. S_PCO. PCO, it's not 0. PCO _ 36000218. 36000218. 36218. 36000218. This is. So payables already we saw this one segment. Payables segment, receivable segment. That's the reason I said AP is mirror image of AR. AR is a mirror image of, if you are perfect in GL, then AP will become easy. If you are perfect in AP, then AR will become easy because it's a very similar. Over there, we call it as a payables, receivables, only the opposite. Customer and supplier, that's it. Okay, these are
Okay.
only the reports part.
Okay.
Not doing anything new. Yes, sir. Someone is saying something.
Okay. 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 Fine.
Double click on receivable segment. Click on yes. Okay. Give your customer number. Give your customer number. Okay. Same object. Ledger 0L. All items. Okay. As on today. So here we can get segment wise report. So here migration is going on. Report 0 SA is being processed. Let me check once again. Some means server migration is going on. All items, or we can select any other report. We'll see. Due to migration, not all data can be selected. Okay, not an issue. See here, drill down. This is your receivable. So you can select here segment. Double click on segment. 44. So here you have a segments, ultra cement segment, ultra corporate segment. Cement segment, we have total 3,44,000. And here ultra corporate segment 1 lakh amount. So total result is total 1,44,000. So you can click on here customer. So you will find customers. One is 5,70,000, 5,70,001, right? So how much Narendra Consultancy? 4 lakhs amount, and from customer this is 44. So total 4,44,000 transactions. So company code wise you can have. So we have only transactions in UT01, and you can see document number wise. See, these are the different document numbers where we have the amounts with corresponding document numbers. Clear? So if you want to check all the document numbers in this particular way, we can check it. Okay. Next one, fiscal year. So what are the different fiscal years customer done the transactions? So here we have only 2023 fiscal year. So we need to receive 4,44,000. So line item wise, you can click on line item wise. So you can see the result. So total 5 transactions. Clear? Or anything we can do it? Do you want to save? No. So I'll select here one more classical drill down report. So all data. See here, this is one more, same thing. Double click on segment. You have clicked the hotspot. Okay, fine. Sorry. See here, UOCA. See, ultra cement segment, 3,40,000. Ultra corporate segment, same report in a different format. Understood? Same company code, customer, document number, fiscal year. Is this clear? Any questions?
Yes. No.
Next one, we have one more that we will see. Object list. This is not migrating. See here, in the same way you got it. So here, company code, right? GL account, right? And here, earlier it was segment was not showing. Only the profit center was showing, right? Customer profit center. But now it is showing GL account, customer, company code, document number, whatever this we saw in the last previous report. This one here you can see the segments. Corporate segment, cement segment, cement segment, all the cement segment wise. So as per your analysis, you can do what is the cement segment total transaction, what are the corporate segment transactions, and we can analyze it. Any other questions? What is 2502200?
GL account.
What kind of GL account it is?
Trade receivable.
Yeah, reconciliation GL account. It's nothing but trade receivable services, which is nothing but reconciliation account, which is linked to integrated to customer accounts. Clear? So that's the way we are able to link GL module to AR module and AP module with this reconciliation accounts. So any questions here?
No.
No.
So what we will do is we'll stop here itself because we can't complete this customer special GL transactions. Okay, because still many people. So here with this, we will finish off it. Customer versus vendor next week. As I said earlier, same thing. Next, we will start with your banking module. Right here, you will get your reconciliations, bank reconciliations, and most important topic. This is like your APR, bank reconciliation. You will get at least 3 to 4 questions in interview regarding check lots, manual check lots, manual check updates, clear, maintenance of house bank, and all those stuff. And after this, we are going to do, this is very important, manual check payment and automatic payment process. If you understand manual check payment, then you will understand automatic payment process without any problem. This is automatic payment process. Once we are done with that, then this is a little lengthy topic, automatic payment process. We'll try to do in Saturday and Sunday sessions complete. This one Saturday and one Sunday sessions, so that we can go to bank transfers on cash journal. This is normally no one will cover cash journal. That is nothing but your petty cash work. Clear? So that we will cover cash journal also. Once we are done with the cash journal, so bank reconciliation statement we will do. And this is also important topic, customer interest calculation. We'll try to cover maximum customer interest calculation, so that before asset accounting, I'll try to cover the integrations. Clear? I'll try to cover FI with MM integrations, FI with SD integrations, right? Once we are done that integration part, then we will go with the asset accounting. Once we are done with the asset accounting part, then we will pitch into the CO module. So these are the lessons.
So Naveen, sorry, fine. So what is the duration
Sorry?
of CO? What would be the duration of CO?
CO,
CO is also lengthy
that's what
topic.
again I'm telling you. If you understand, then I'll take it as in 2.5 months from there. 2 months maximum. Clear? But it's up to your accounting knowledge, right? Again, I need to go to manual cost accounting, manual management accounting. So that is not in our course actually, right? But you need to understand controlling module in the sense, you need to understand basics of cost accounting, job costing, overheads. What do you mean by overheads? So I need to go there, right? So how you will understand that, it again depends upon the completion. Do you have an idea on overheads? What do you mean by overheads? If you know that overheads and job costing and process costing, then I can directly start with the controlling module. We can finish off it 1.5 to 2 months. Right? If you don't know that, if people wants me to complete that controlling module in the sense, it will take 2 or 2.5 months, same duration, but 100% you won't understand anything from that. Hope you got my point. Hello. Hello.
Sir, what about GST for AR?
AR I'll cover GST along with the asset accounting. Okay. Because in asset accounting also we have asset sale and all those stuff, right?
Yes.
You got my point? Or what I'll do, I'll just check whether if GST is working fine, like last time, then I'll do GST first, then I'll go to the customer special GL later, like what I did in AP. I don't want to kill the time because it's not, because the complete server is getting migrated. So that's the reason it is taking time. So that's the reason what I'll do, I'll check before to start next week session. I'll check tomorrow and day after tomorrow. What are the things I need to cover? If GST is working fine, then first I'll complete, because it won't take much time, because we have done almost all the configurations for AP module, the same copy to copy, we need to do it for AR. If it's not working fine, then first I'll complete the GL customer special GL transactions. Asset accounting, when we do asset accounting, over there, I'll cover this AR module with GST in accounting asset sales. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions? Yeah, any other questions?
No.
Sorry?
No, nothing.
Okay, then.
No.
Thank you.
Okay, but the humble request, go through the classes, go through the basics perfectly, first of all, then everything would be easy for you people. Thank you all.
So at least, hello.
Sorry, a bit louder, please.
Yeah, at least.
No, I'm not able to hear you.
You're able to hear. You're able to hear now.
Okay. That's the
Yeah.
reason I'm
So
saying every time you repeat the same.
at least how many times we need to practice the complete cycle, Naveen? And 5 times or 10 times to get some.
See, again, I'm not sure, like few people will remember the things in 3rd or 4th practice. Some people along with me, they will remember, right? For some people, it will take 10 times. But that's the reason I said, don't lose this thing. If you are not able to remember the thing first time or second time or third time, One more time, give a trial. One more time, till you remember the things. Again, I can't say that you will remember after third time practicing this. It's not correct, right? A lot of things will go in your mind, right? Your personal things, your professional things, a lot of things will make to remember the things of this particular thing. So I can't say that someone will remember you will remember everything by these many practices. I can't say that.
Okay.
Right? It's again depends upon, see, as long as you want to survive in this particular environment, in the sense, only the thing is as much as you practice to remember the things as much as possible. Maybe it may take 20 times also, or more than that also, but you have to do it. But I can't say that 10 times, 20 times you will remember. No, probably you can remember only with one practice. I'm not sure. Sometimes it may take 10 times, or sometimes it may take more than 20 times also. See, practice people will do. They will record, they will listen to the recording, and they will do the data entry work. Correct? They won't apply their own steps. So that's the reason normally people won't share recordings. Actually, we are not supposed to share the recordings. If we share the recordings, what is the thing? Documentation and recordings plays a worst role in the sessions. Why? Because you won't put the things on the paper. If you put your own things on the paper and without any recordings, without any material, if you go through your own notes, then you will remember the things very easy. But if you want to depend on the recordings plus the material, clear, whatever we are doing, only what is the user will do, the student will do, they will become a best data entry operator rather than the consultants. That's for sure. How we can remember, in the sense, at the time of session, if you put your own words on the paper and allow how you understood, and the same thing, you will make it one more draft, and with that particular draft, if you start practicing, then definitely you won't forget anything. That is the best practice. But if you want to listen to the class and you want to depend on the whatever recordings, and according to recording you want to practice, in the sense, definitely we won't remember anything. Again, I'm telling you, if you listen the same recording 20 times also, nothing, it looks like a movie, that's it. Hope you got my point. Analysis part will miss if you only depend upon the recording. Analysis part won't come into the picture. Once if you put on the paper your own notes, own understanding, then definitely you will remember and you will do analysis. Okay. Any other questions?
Naveen, percentage wise, how much skilled PICO consultant available?
I didn't get you. Can you please come again, your question?
Yeah, percentage wise, how much skilled PICO consultants available in the India?
In India? Or you want still how much requirement is there for the industry? Can I?
Yeah.
Still almost 67 to 8.
Why I'm asking, because there are not skilled PICO consultants, right? In the
skilled percentage, it's in finger, like I can say that we can count hardly skilled people are there 10 to 15%.
Okay.
For example, if I take 100% consultants are there as on 2023 June, 4th June, clear? Out of that, hardly 10 to 15% skilled people are there. Skilled consultants are there.
How the rest of the people are surviving in this field?
Again, I don't know that. They are surviving, that's it. See, again, don't take me wrong. We don't have accounting knowledge, for example. Even I don't used to have accounting, but I used to survive in AP environment, right? How? I don't know accounts. I have cleared my BCom. How? There would be a hell lot of permutations and combinations. They're surviving, that's it. People are losing few jobs, they're losing, that's it. But skilled people never lose their jobs. Again, I'm telling you, majority people will say in Amirpet, I'll just browse this.